The ontology-based catalog of infectious disease epidemiology, or OBC.ide, is our tool for cataloging items such as publications, reports, software, disease transmission models, and machine interpretable information. Today we're going to talk about how you can retrieve any of these items from the catalog. OBC.ide currently indexes over 700 resources related to Ebola, H7N9, novel coronavirus, chikungunya, with plans to add additional diseases in the near future. This video demonstrates the retrieval page of OBC.ide. We will show you 3 ways to search the catalog and how you can provide feedback to us, the developers. We'll start with the search capabilities of OBC.ide. There are 3 ways to search the catalog. First, you can search on curated indexing terms, which have been used to describe each item in the catalog. To do this, go to the retrieval page at this URL. Notice the panel on the left entitled Find Items By. Under the labels Title and Indexing Term, which we address later, we see a list of term headings. We must first open one of these headings. Let's open the Infection and Ecosystem heading by clicking on the small triangle icon to the left. The page now displays 12 indexing terms under Infection and Ecosystem. They include types of epidemics, such as Ebola epidemic, and actual historical epidemics, such as the H1N1 pandemic of 2009. Let's search on the H1N1 pandemic. To do so, we select the term H1N1 subtype humans global 2009 to 2010, and then click on the Add Terms button. Notice that the selected search term was added to the Selected Terms panel here. To execute the search, we click the Search button. The retrieval page queries the catalog and sorts the results into 6 columns: reports, datasets, models, software, and publications. Looking at the query results, we see a number of journal articles about the H1N1 pandemic. Besides navigating to indexing terms, we can also search for them using the filter box. Let's revise our search by adding an additional indexing term, vaccination control strategy. In the filter box, you can type text, and the page narrows the panel down to just those headings where there is a match. We see that infectious disease control strategy is the only heading left. So we open it and select vaccination control strategy to add it to our search. Notice that our original search term is still here. Here is our cumulative list of search terms. The search will retrieve the resources that are indexed against all of these terms. Now we click search again. Here we see that the results are narrowed down to papers that are about the H1N1 pandemic and vaccination control strategies. Using indexing terms is the first way to search the catalog. The second way to search is to use the Search by Title box. Let's enter H1N1 and click the Search button. The retrieval page returns all resources that have H1N1 anywhere in their titles. The third and final way to search the catalog is to search using both indexing terms and free text together. This means that items of interest must both be indexed against all the terms in the list and have a title that matches the text in the title box. Suppose we're interested in risk factors for Ebola. First, we choose Ebola virus as an indexing term. Next, we enter risk factor in the title box. We click search and we get back 2 publications that were indexed against Ebola virus and also included the phrase risk factor in the title. So that concludes our demonstration of searching the catalog. Now we will show you how you can submit your feedback on how we can improve OBC.ide and its retrieval page. To submit feedback, we click on the small envelope icon in the upper right corner of the screen. The Email Us form appears. We enter our email address into the email box, a subject in the subject box, and finally a suggestion. We then click Submit, and the suggestion will be sent via email to the OBC.ide developers. That concludes our demonstration of the OBC.ide retrieval page and feedback mechanism. Thank you for watching.